Hello guys and welcome to our next tutorial. Today I will tell you how you can install Visual Studio with C++ compiler. So let's begin. First of all, open your browser, search up Microsoft Visual Studio. After that, go on to the first link from Microsoft. As it loads, go down and from here download the community version, and if it doesn't start downloading, just click on here, click here to retry. As you can see, it's here. It will take some time and it's done. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so for some reason my OBS didn't record the window in this part, so basically you just have to click on continue button and then it will start downloading a few things. Hold on. Okay, now it should. Okay, so now I'll make it maximize it. Okay, so from here you need to look for desktop development with C++. Build C++ mono C++ apps for Windows using tools of your choice, including MSVC, Clang, CMake or MS Build. Install that, then click install in the corner. Let me bring it up. So says install in the corner. It will say requires 9.78 gigabytes of space, so just install it. It will download and install, and it will take some time to install, so I'll be back when it's done installing. Okay, so it's done installing. Okay, so let's launch it. As you can see, it's launching. After you open Visual Studio, it will give you sign in. You can sign in if you want. I'm not going to do that right now, so just start Visual Studio with the theme you want to start it in. Okay, so we have it over here. Now it says open a project or solution, clone a repository. If you have any Git repository you want to clone, you can do that. Open a local folder if you want. Let me just do like this. Okay, so over here you can do empty project, console app or anything, prints hello world, whatever, CMake project, desktop wizard, anything you want from here. There's a lot of things you can do. Let me do this console app. Okay, now next, and then I'll just name it console app and let it be like that. Okay, now it will create my file. There will be a create button in the bottom of the application. Do that. It's creating the project. Open up our Visual Studio. Okay, so it's over here, Visual Studio, everything is here. Okay, so let's try to run this. Let me show you the console. There is the console where it started. It's taking a bit time, but it as you can see, it's building its file, it's compiling the whole code. Now it has compiled and open in a console, and as you can see, hello world is shown here, and then the code has exited with the code 0. So that is how you can install Visual Studio or Visual Basic Studio. And I hope you learned something today, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful help you in installing Visual Studio, because because when I was a student, was installing this, I had a problem as well. So anyways, I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.